Hello, welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use aloe vera as a leave-in, how to detangle your natural hair with aloe vera. So I'm going to be using 3 big aloe vera, and then I'm going to extract the juice from the aloe vera and then put the juice in a spray container. So first of all, I'm going to be spraying my hair with aloe vera. My hair is super dry, so it really needs a lot of the gel into it to detangle it. And this method, you're not supposed to wash it off. This method is going to help promote hair growth. It's going to leave your hair very shiny. It's going to detangle. In fact, it's going to leave your hair so soft. That is, if you continuously do this method, let's say twice or 3 times in a week, you're going to be seeing the end result so fast and then quick. So I'm going to be spraying this aloe vera on my hair, and I'll just leave it like that. So after spraying, it makes it so easy to brush the hair, that is detangling the hair. So if you just unbraid your hair, you can use the aloe vera juice to detangle your hair to prevent its excessive shedding of the hair. So to simply detangle the hair, you have to put your hair into twist. That will make it so easy for you to detangle your hair. So my hair, as you see, is already in a twist, and I'm detangling it. After, I'm going to put it back into twist, and that one is optional. So you can just detangle it and then you leave your hair, or whatever way you want to do it. So I hope you are going to enjoy this video. If you're new to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel to help me grow this channel. And if you love this video, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, to like. Leave your comment below on the type of videos that I should be uploading on my channel. Yeah. So I'm done with the spraying. Okay, you can go ahead and cover your hair if you want to. So see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.